boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video, we're gonna set up a brand new campaign from ClickBank. It's gonna be a toenail fungus campaign we're gonna set up with Curvita Pro. It's over here in ClickBank. Let's see. See if we can find it. Let's see if I can spell it. I think I spelled it right. Maybe two eyes. I don't know how to spell it. Hold up. Where is it? Let's go on health and fitness. Should be somewhere in here. Let's go to page 3. There we go. Curvita, I think I'm saying it right. Anyways, you want to go to promote. You can do the short video sales letter or the default page. We're gonna do the TS letter, which is not the video sales, but I already have it in my ClickMagick. But what you want to do, you want to go grab the link, create hot link, copy, paste it into your ClickMagick down here. I already have it in there, so I don't want to repaste it. This is how it should look. Page, we paste it in here. Here we go. Shouldn't be the video sales letter. We don't need a video sales letter for this video, this campaign. So we're gonna go to create new website. The internet moving kind of slow today. Come on. Here we go. Campaign name. Pro. Can I set it $50 a day? Come to the top 5 countries. United States. Canada. Australia. United Kingdom, and New Zealand. Scroll down. You want to uncheck this because we don't want people searching for the websites from other countries. You just want to keep this people in your target locations. Save and go to the next step. I'm gonna go get some keywords. I don't know why my internet moving so slow right now. Come on. This moving very slow. Grab this, put in our keywords. Pro. That's gonna you take this, put that up in here. Supplement. Do this. You can do buy. Order. phrase and exact match. Grab these words. Grab these words. Put these in our first ad group. Then we can do another ad group. Review. So we can grab this keyword. Bow. Custom review. Do scam. Do scam alert. Grab those keywords. Put it in its own ad group. Save and go to the next page. Bow, create ad. We can take some ideas from here. Create a Pro official website. Restore. Did I spell it right? It's Caravita. Let me see the keywords. Caravita. Okay, I spelled it right in keywords. I still feel like I spelled it wrong. Let me see. Caravita Pro. Alright, it should be good. Just look wrong for some reason. Caravita Pro official site. Gonna pin this to the first position. We can do 70% off discount. Position 2. And we can do restore nail thickness now. Whoops, crap. Copy this, paste that up in here. Bow, pin that to position 3. Also copy the description. Pin this position 1. Bow. Two. Then we do 70% off today only. Position 2. Okay, got that. Let's go grab our links. What's wrong with this today? Grab this. Query string. Device. Add ID. I'm gonna go paste that up in here. Grab this link. Put in the mobile URL. Final URL. Bow. That's how the first ad should look. Copy ad. Switch the words up. We can say Vita Pro. Save, copy, make one more ad. We can do order. Oh, we can do, we do Vita Pro supplement. Bow. Save. Copy this to another ad group. Bow. Edit it. Do review. Copy. We can do pro scam. Save. Okay, so we can add some citing extensions. Let's see what they have. We can do, if you want, free shipping, 70% off, free shipping today. Grab our final URL from here, paste that up in there. Provide tracking link, paste that up in here. Save. Create another one. Okay. Do limited time offer, 70% off today. Link in here. Find the URL. Alright, for the sake of this video, my time is running out, so let me go ahead and save those two. Go to the bottom. And you see, I'm gonna do $3 per click. $3 per click for that one. Alright, at the bottom, attribution, being ALL only, save. And there you go, campaign is created. Quick policy check. We good. So quick setup with ClickBank and ClickMagick. Easy and simple brand building campaign. You guys can copy that same campaign if you want to. I have made money in the past with that campaign. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.